Hi, good morning, all of you, grade 12 student. We have online lesson now for phenols. We have three objectives here. First, we want to discuss what is phenol and then how to write IUPAC naming of phenol. And third one, the reaction of phenol with sodium hydroxide, 3 moles of bromine and 3 moles of chlorine. But first, we need to discuss here what is phenol. Introduction to phenol. Phenol are the benzene compound which have and the hydroxyl group attached directly to it. You can see this one. This is the benzene ring and OH attached directly on the ring. So we call phenol. Here phenols, the 3D models of phenol. These all blacks are carbon atoms and the red one are hydrogen and this white hydrogen and this red one is oxygen here. And this is also hydrogen, OH. This is the displayed formula of phenol and this one skeleton formula for phenol. There is OH. In phenol, one of the lone pair on the oxygen overlap the delocalized electron system to give a structure like this. It means this electron with oxygen. This is oxygen having two lone pairs there, and these two lone pairs they delocalize on whole ring to make phenol is more acidic as compared to alcohol. This the physical properties of phenol. You can study what is their melting point and what about their boiling point also, and either phenol, which type of bonding present in phenol, the hydrogen bonding because of OH, and what happen when we dissolve alcohol into water and phenol into water, which one is more soluble. So the solubility of phenol. You need to check the solubility of phenol. Which one is soluble? Either alcohol is more soluble or phenol is more soluble. So which one is more reactive? You can say the increase the electron density of delocalized electron system. It makes phenol much more reactive than benzene itself. Because of delocalized electron, phenol is more reactive than benzene. Also, it increases the acidity of phenol as well. So because of delocalized electron system, it is more reactive than benzene and it is more acidic. And then phenol can form its melting in boiling point is higher than the other methyl benzene. This is because phenol can form hydrogen bond between them in addition of van der Waals forces and permanent dipole forces. So collectively you can say that why phenols have a higher boiling point, because phenol can form hydrogen bond. That's it only. Now phenol itself is more soluble in water than other phenol. This is because small phenol molecules can form more effective hydrogen bond with the water molecule. That's why most phenols are soluble, insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. Acidity of phenol, as I discussed with you, phenol is organic compound, aromatic compound, it's the weak acids, but as compared to uh, alcohol is more acidic because of resonance, because of delocalized electron. You can see that this oxygen from phenol, when you remove H, you will get the negative charge. This negative charge delocalized and stabilize the system. We call the resonance. So because of resonance, phenol is more acidic than alcohol. The comparison of phenol and alcohol, phenol is more acidic than alcohol. And phenol can, when we dissolve in water, then phenol can form phenoxide ion, because negative charge on oxygen we call phenoxide ion. It means it can dissolve in phenol. It can dissolve in phenol. The second part is The nomenclature of phenol, our second objective, we already studied before, but now here, how to write the name, we will start numbering from phenol, from hydroxyl group. From hydroxyl group, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Always we will start from OH. So here CH3 at carbon number 3, so we can write 3-methyl phenol. Here CH3 attached at carbon number 2 because 1 is hydroxyl, 1, 2. So we write 2-methyl phenol. Here we will start from OH 1, 2. So to write 2-nitrophenol. Here we have 2 OH 1, 2, benzene diol. Now, if you consider both OH, then write the name of ring is benzene. So 1, 2, benzene, diol, mean di mean 2, OL mean 2 OH groups are present. Same like this, you can practice for all others because before we did the nomenclature of alcohol. You need to pay attention here and you will start the numbering from OH. That's it. And then you will write the name of branch first. Like here, you have to start 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4-methyl. First write the name of branch, then write name of phenol. We have the reactions of phenol with sodium hydroxide, with bromine, and with chlorine. We have 3 reactions of phenol. The first one, reaction with the sodium metal. Reaction with sodium metal. Yes, madam. No, you need to take class. Oh, okay, no problem. I will come because I am going to record the class. I pause there, no problem. But I pause. No, no, I don't want it. I'll just online recording.
Okay. So you can physically have this video. Okay.
Grade 12, you know. Grade 12. The recording side. Okay, hold on. So here first reactions of phenol with sodium metal. Reactions of phenol with sodium metal. What is the reagent? Reagent here sodium. Condition required for this reaction is room temperature, and our product is alk oxide and hydrogen gas. You can see this one. We have 2 moles of phenol react with 2 moles of sodium. What happened in this reactions? Removal of hydrogen. You can say the bond break between oxygen and hydrogen. Bond will break down between oxygen and hydrogen. So remove hydrogen and attach sodium itself. The oxygens, you know, the extra electron negative charge, and sodium is a metal positive charge. Remove or replace hydrogen with sodium metal. So you got sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Second reactions, a reaction with sodium hydroxide. So what is the reagent here? Sodium hydroxide. Condition will be same like sodium, room temperature, and the product is alk oxide, and now here water. Before you can see here hydrogen gas. This is the difference between reaction with metal and reaction with hydroxide. When reactions of phenol with hydroxide, the product will be same like metal. Replacement of H with an A. And from here 1H and from here OH, it will become water. The product same here, sodium phenoxide, and product same when you start the reaction with the metal, sodium phenoxide. But the difference between metal and hydroxide, if reaction of phenol with metal, the removal of hydrogen gas, and if reaction of phenol with hydroxide, the removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. The third reactions, halogenation. You study halogenation by substitution, halogenation by addition, halogenation by side chain. Today we have halogenation for phenol. So what is the reagent? Chlorine gas or bromine gas, and the condition room temperature, and your product is 2,4,6 trihalophenol. Halo means maybe chlorine or maybe bromine there. The phenol will react with halogens even without the presence of halogen carrier, mean without any catalyst. This proves that phenol is more reactive than benzene itself. Because for halogenation of benzene, we need catalyst. But this reaction will take place without catalyst. This is the bromine, orange color, and this one is phenol. When this phenol react with bromine, 3Br2. This phenol plus 3Br2, then you will get the product same OH with the ring phenol, but we have total 6 Br. 3 we will remove because we are going to replace one hydrogen from each position with one Br. Here one hydrogen, from here one hydrogen, from here one hydrogen, so total 3 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen we will remove with 3 Br. So only 3 Br left, one at position number 2, another one at position number 6, 4, and third one at position number 6. That's why we write 2, 4, 6 tri, mean 3 bromo Br and phenol because there is OH group. So when you mix these two, bromine with the phenol, you will get the white color substance. This precipitate. Test with the bromine water, white precipitate. You can see this one, white precipitate. This is the observation of this reaction. If you use instead of Br, you are going to use the 3Cl2. Then you attach same here, Cl, Cl, and then Cl. 2, 4, 6 trichlorophenol that time. Now here we attach bromine, so tribromophenol. But if you attach chlorine, trichlorophenol. Rest things will be remain same. So what is the name of product? You must please memorize this one. When you add Br, then what is the name? And when you add Cl, then what is the name? This is all about the reactions of alcohol. So, and summary of phenol, you need first, what is the phenol? What do you know about the acidity of phenol? Compare with benzene and with alcohol. Then nomenclature of phenol, mean how to write IUPAC naming of phenol, from where you will start. And last objective is reactions of phenol with metal, with base, and with chlorine or bromine. You can say the halogenation of phenol. Hope you will understand. Wish you the best of luck.